Brook, why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and to make any sense he took an oath to office. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy.
We've got quite a situation here today, and it comes with a bit of a twist. This sovereign citizen actually decided to record the whole thing from his own point of view. You can probably guess it didn't help his case one bit. Instead, it just made everything look even worse for him. This man starts going on and on, as if laws somehow don't apply to him simply because he says so. Let me know in the comments what you think of this hearing. And just for fun, tell me how many brain cells you think he's working with, because honestly, it can't be many. It's almost impressive how confidently wrong a person can be. Anyway, let's get into it and watch it.
Good afternoon. Oh, about here? I'm the administrator for that matter. I said I'm the administrator for that matter.
Mr. Key, you're charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you understand that charge?
Your Honor, you'll never stand over me, so when you say I understand, please elaborate.
Do you understand the charge of trespassing in the 3rd degree?
No man will ever stand over me, sir. So please say it again. I'm sorry.
I'm not doing that again.
Okay.
You are charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you plead on that charge?
Before I plead, I need to know that I was told that you're a man of God, and I was told that you took an oath of office. Did you take an oath of office?
I am not answering questions. This is an arraignment.
You're not going to answer. You're supposed to be the judge, correct? You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not.
Have you removed from the courtroom? You can plead on this charge, and what we will do is then set your, if you plead guilty, and we'll go one course. If you plead not guilty, then I'll set your case down for the trial.
You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath to office. You're a judge to this county of Mount Brook. Why can't you tell me if you took an oth of office? It would proceed to say that you did take an oath of office. You're going to remove me, so you're just going to make me leave. You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not. I'm being removed? Why am I being removed for? I didn't enter a plea. I didn't say anything, sir.
Mr. Keys.
I'm going. I'm going. Why can't you tell me if he's going to take an oath of office? Did you take an oath of office?
It's time to go.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. What trial? I didn't take. I didn't take a plea. What are you talking about? How can you make it?
Your verbiage is not helping, and I'll take your verbiage as a plea of not guilty unless you want to plead guilty.
I haven't. I said, did you take an oath of office? And you won't respond to me. Why won't you respond to me, sir? Did you not take an oath? Did you not take an oath to defend God, this country, and the children around the world? Really? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court, and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. What's this country coming to is what I don't understand. Well, I'm not taking no paper from you. I mean, this country, so you didn't take an oath to office, did you? You did take an oath of office. Huh? You did take an oath of office. Well, I mean, you didn't take an oath of office.
Let's go,
huh?
Mr. Keys, let's go.
Where are we going?
We've got you're being escorted out. We've got a lot of other cases we have to get to, so come
This man did not take an oath of office. The judge here did not take an oath of office.
The judge completely shuts him down, honestly. The only reason this guy is getting so worked up is because the judge finally stopped entertaining his nonsense. This little routine of quoting fake laws just fell apart right there in front of everyone. He really thought he could walk in, say a few made-up legal phrases, and leave with no consequences. It's almost like he believed he could fast-track his way through the legal system. But instead, we're all watching this disaster unfold live, and we've got to mention his outfit. This man showed up to court looking like he's about to stream from a UFO. Convention GoPro strapped to his head like he's filming a tutorial on how to embarrass yourself in front of a judge. I'm honestly surprised security even let him into the building looking like that, you have to admit. This is one of the most bizarre courtroom appearances we've seen in a while. The judge is staying calm, but you can tell he's probably thinking, is this guy seriously?
We're in Mountain Brook, and he can't even say he took an oath of office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and make any safe he took an oath of office. Yes, sir.
You need to go?
I'm going. I'm going right now. But this is a disgrace to this country. I surely hope that you took an oth of office, didn't you?
Let's go.
Will you not answer my question?
No, I'm not answering any.
So you didn't take an oath of office either? To defend the people around the world? Seriously, I cannot believe this. In America right now, we got people, the judge he won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. This man won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. Y'all going into somebody that won't even say he defends the country, that he defends the United States of America, that he doesn't care about the kids. This is crazy. And none of y'all people, none of you care about it. Why am I the only one that cares? Why am I the only one that cares about this? Huh? Nobody cares about this. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing in here? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
What did they tell you? I do care about our kids. My daughter is a Birmingham police officer. So.
Did he take an oath of office? Because the policeman wouldn't even tell me he took an oath of office. The judge wouldn't even tell me. He wouldn't even tell me. He would not tell me. I asked him, did he take an oath of office? You know what he said? I don't have to answer that. He told me he didn't have to answer that. He didn't have to answer that. Now, thank you. There's one person that agrees with me. Oh, so thank you. So y'all all agree with me. This judge you're going to see right now will not say if he took an oath of office. I cannot believe this. In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy. I cannot believe I did not enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. I did not do anything because he wouldn't tell me if I took it. He wouldn't take any of my documents. I've got all these affidavits right here. And he calm down, Christopher. I'll be back later.
He'll be wearing a costume to a felony hearing? On a scale of 1 to 10, how ridiculous would you rate this guy's courtroom strategy? Let me know. He'll be back. Probably straight back to jail the next time he walks into a courtroom. This man acted like he was starring in his own legal drama, forgetting that he's really just the background character who gets locked up in the first 5 minutes. And just look at how tense he gets when he talks, veins popping out like he's about to explode from frustration. You'd think the judge just took something from him personally the way he's shouting, I have to say. The judge handled this situation extremely well. Calm, professional. Probably wondering how he ended up
Let's go ahead and dive into the next one here. This one is about to be heated as well.
Yeah, you're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of
No,
the
you don't
state.
respect the law, sir.
Stop.
You see this? Are you looking? Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion. So any judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in acts.
All right, I'm going to mute your microphone. I don't want to hear this crazy.
babysitting a grown man wearing a GoPro in court. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and stick around, because the next hearing is just as unbelievable as you just saw. This sovereign citizen made quite a scene.
Mr. Morrow Bay, are you there?
Yes, I am.
All right, this is file 21213ST. It's entitled People versus Samuel R. Perdue, who refers to himself as Samir Siraj Morrow Bay. His mother named him Samuel R. Perdue. Mr. Perdue, you got another ticket for driving with a suspended license. Second offense, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You're also charged with speeding. I'm assuming you're going to plead not guilty to both of those?
No, of course not. I'm innocent, and my name is not Mr. Perdue, so I would appreciate if you didn't call me Mr. Perdue.
I'm just going to test off the judge for you.
All right.
Well,
Mr. Morrow, let me tell you this. Stop. Yeah, you're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of
no,
the
you
state.
don't respect the law, sir.
Stop. If you drive again here in St. Joe County, I'm going to set your butt at $10,000.
And also,
I'm going to
lie
set
to
this.
you You see this? Are you looking? I was forced to get this license. I don't want it, but as you can see, your officer is a liar.
Well, what's the name on that? Is that Samuel Perdue or Mr. Morrow Bay?
Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion.
So you have
every time I travel, clearly,
all right, you
one
have
of your commercial mercenaries keep pulling me over.
you have a driver's license?
Because your commercial mercenaries continue to pull me over, and they won't leave me alone.
Well, stop driving. At least stay out
I
of
don't drive. I travel.
All right. Traveling is one thing. Driving is another. You can travel all you want. All right, but let me make this
That's
clear.
what I'm doing, and they won't let me travel. They won't let me travel on my own land.
But credit where it's due, the judge handled it like a true professional. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's jump right into the next case and watch this judge keep things firmly under control. Honestly, it's time courts stop giving these sovereign citizens so much patience. The moment they start spouting nonsense about made-up laws, they should be shown the door. If you don't believe in the legal system, fine. Go argue with a tree about your rights somewhere. It's far away. Nobody has time for these pointless performances when there are real cases to deal with. They waste everyone's time, act like they're above the law, and then complain when they're held accountable. The entitlement is unbelievable, especially with this guy. He's talking over the judge, showing zero respect and acting completely unprofessional.
And you're violating the law, and you know it.
Violating the law.
Well, one of us is.
He's definitely violating the law, and anybody who needs to know anything about the law,
slow
talk
down.
about it.
Slow down for a minute. That license you held up, is it a valid Michigan driver's license?
Is it a valid Michigan driver's license? Well, I was forced to go to your Secretary of State because you guys won't let me travel on my own land. That's as valid as it is. What's really valid is my nationality that you keep denying. So you're denying me due process, and you know it.
Well, you haven't been convicted of anything yet. I'm just telling you, if you continue to keep driving on some cockamamie
I don't drive.
you're behind the wheel of a car. Give me this BS about traveling versus driving. I'm just telling you right now, you heard it here. If you drive again in St. Joseph County and you get another ticket, I'm going to set a very high bond. You can sit in jail for 28 days until we sort this out. You're presumed to be innocent of the charges that you're charged with, and you've exercised your constitutional right to plead not guilty.
No, I didn't plead not guilty. You said that. I said I'm innocent.
All right, fair enough. We'll set this for a last pre-trial. Are you still at 312 North Sage Street, apartment 302?
North America is my domicile. You can send whatever information you want to that address. That is fine.
All right.
Very smart.
So any judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in acts.
All right, I'm going to mute your microphone. I don't want to hear this crazy, nonsensical thing. I'm setting you for a last pretrial. We'll pick a date and I'll send it to you in the mail. I don't expect it'll settle the case. We already have one case set for a jury trial. We'll probably set both of these for a jury trial. I will give you credit. You always log in a timely manner, which I appreciate. I'll give you a new notice. It'll be on a Thursday afternoon. We're going to skip the regular pretrial and just go right to the last pretrial. I expect it to be set for a jury trial. All I'm telling you is stop driving and stop in St. Joseph County. All right, sir, you're good to go.
Professional. But the judge, he's having none of it, and I'm here for it. This judge doesn't let anything slide, not even for a second. His expression says it all. You're not special. You're just loud and wrong. Let me know what you think. Did the judge handle this the right way? Let's get back into it. Place your bets in the comments. Do you think this guy's going to get caught driving without a license again? I'm betting he'll be right back in that courtroom with a fresh ticket. At this point, I'm sure every officer in town knows exactly what his car looks like. The way he tried to talk his way out of this, without even basic legal knowledge, is something else. This isn't a debate club, it's a courtroom. But credit where it's due, the judge handled this one like a pro. Honestly, I usually dislike Zoom court, but this judge has me reconsidering. Finally, someone who knows how and when to use the mute button. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this case.